for a while. What you got there?
Caipirinha and pineapple. Caipirinha pineapple. Caipirinha pineapple.
You guys going to go in the water?
No.
I got me some Açaí. Açaí, it's like a fruit, like an ice cream fruity thing with some, I don't know, some white, it's like
Leite em pó.
lychee, like
Powdered
sugar.
milk, powdered milk.
Like powdered milk and some
Paçoca is the brown. They crumbled it.
Nice. So good. Thanks, Melissa.